Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have two NASCAR Authentics from the 2022 Wave 10. We have two Stewart-Haas Racing Darlington Throwbacks from last year. We have Kevin Harvick's Ream Throwback to himself back in 2012. And we have Chase Briscoe's Mahindra Tractors Throwback to Tony Stewart's, I think in his 2001 Indianapolis 500 event. So the backs are pretty much the same. You can get the same cars in the same wave. First, let's get Kevin Harvick out of this box. So here we have the number 4, Kevin Harvick. His number 4, Kevin Harvick, Ream, and the Stewart-Haas logo. But the Ream logo is in pink. So first here we have Kevin Harvick. So Kevin Harvick's car is pretty much the same, usually from his regular paint scheme that he drove in 2022, although it changed from red to pink. Even the Ream logo is now pink instead of red. And it says chasing for a cure, which must have been from October that he drove in this car in 2012, this throwback too. But overall, this throwback is pretty much bland because it's very similar to his 2022 Ream paint scheme that he always drove in. And what's interesting though is that it has Busch Light and Busch, although most NASCAR Authentics from the Lionel waves usually don't put in beer sponsorships. So that was actually kind of an interesting touch. So you got Humberto's Pizza. I don't know what that is, but we have also Subway. And on the back we have EC Max with Ream. And on top it says the stjude.org Foundation, which I think he must be raising money for a charity, for a hospital at Darlington at the time. Now that's Kevin Harvick. Let's get Chase Briscoe out of this box. So here we have the Mahindra Tractors logo, the 2 lightning bolts coming out the side, the classic number 14, and Chase Briscoe. His name, Chase Briscoe. So here we have Chase Briscoe's car. So this throwback is the Tony Stewart's 2001 Indianapolis 500 car, in which before Tony Stewart came to NASCAR, he was an IndyCar driver and won the championship in somewhere in the late 1990s, like 1996 or 1997. But this was in 2001 when he attempted the double, in which he ran the Indianapolis 500 and the Coke 600 in the same day. So in this car, we have the classic number 14 that Tony Stewart has driven in which the number still is the same. We got Mahindra Tractors, and it says, and on here, it says official tractor for Tough Ford. The 2 yellow lightning bolts that looked like his Target car, his Target number 33 Indy car when he drove for Chip Ganassi Racing, I think. And on the back, you got, it's more of a, bottom is red, on top it's black. It says Mahindra Tractors. On top, Mahindra Tractors too, right here, and on the hood. And it has a nice coat of red paint. So here's a 360 view of Chase Briscoe. And I'll give you a 360 view of Harvick since I didn't think we did that. And that'll conclude today's video. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.